Hi guys, I'm here for another drag and drop task. It's a very important task, as you know, and I'm here for giving you some tips and correct grammar rules in actual example from the PT test. I think with that it be helpful. You get more than 75 score in this task. Okay, let's go to do this example for which other. As you know, when we have 1, 2, 3, 4 blank in this task, and even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 words for blank. Actually, when we have a 4 in this task for blank, they give us 8, or sometimes like this example, give or one more words, but we need to match all of them with, they are matched to each other. So, for example, concentrate is matched with collected, because verb and the past participle, two of them, and cloud, air, atmosphere, it's to each other, danger, harmless, and over and ground. Okay, with it, I think it's a better not now like now I do, because it's take a time. When you're browsing or seeing there's words, it's nice to quickly you in your mind put in the categorizing for yourself, and put the words in the for example, we the noun verb, and which verb, the participle, or it's a continuous verb, or adjective, propositions, which other. Okay, let's go to see the test. Connect class. Okay, it's finished, but the cause is usually okay. We have a verb. It's better I change my color. Yes, purple. The cause, okay. Such subject, verb. We have a verb, and after verb we need the adjective. Okay, we have 2 adjective in here, dangerous and harmless. But the cause is usually, yes, danger. Harmless, okay, it's less. When a volcanic erupts, carbon dioxide is spread out into the atmosphere. Okay, into the atmosphere. Okay, some of the carbon dioxide is not dangerous. Okay, in here we had the harmless, because if the dangerous, because some of the volcanic eruptions help the planet, and for it's help even the marine ecosystem. Okay, this I think it's a harmless. It's a good one for here. It's a 1. Carbon dioxide spread out into atmosphere and is not in one spot. A spot, okay, which is the spot? Concentrate in this spot, or in the space on the. It's a best word for this blank, because is not okay. We need the passive. It's a passive test in here. We need the verb, past participle, and gas gets trapped. Gas gets trapped under enormous pressure. Underground is the gas can trapped underground, not over something, because over something isn't possible to pressure or trapped. Be careful about after and before the blank. It's very important. The tip, it's before or sometimes after the blank. In here, underground, it's a button, and a dense. Okay, a dense, it's a, okay, A surface as a density mood the atmosphere could not, air could not, and cloud. It's the last blank. Can push oxygen rich air and become dangerous. And it become dangerous, you know. Another tip for one, because if somebody thinks about this, why we didn't dangerous, if you know we have it, if it escaped to the surface. Okay, if you put in here dangerous, after you read this sentence you need to change this, because if it escapes to the surface as a dense cloud, it can push out oxygen rich air and become dangerous. After that become dangerous. So I think harmless, it's a correct choice in here. Okay, going to the another task. Another task about joining. Okay, after that I need to count 1, 2, 3, again 4, and how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the exact the another example. Okay, we can match okay, characters, imagine, polite, detect, weight. Okay, plots and astronomers. Imagine, verb, detect, weight. Weight, it's a noun and verb, yes, but weight and characters should be together. Characteristics or weight, physical and physical item, and verb, imagine, because sometimes it's the verb, and detect. Okay, planet, it's alone. Okay, let's go to the example. Giant exponent, don't need to read the, okay, only quickly read the context. The giant exponents that so-called that Jupiters that have similar, we don't need the in here. I'm not sure, sorry guys. If you can check this, tell me about we have in I think we need to be here in similar in, I think I put by myself, but similar, because the similar has a proposition within. It's a, I forgot to write that. Similar in. Okay, similar in was similar in characteristic. Similar in weight, we don't say that. In characteristic, 2 is for 1. Okay, to the solar system largest planet. Okay, 2, it's a done. Orbit very close to these host stars. Okay, and so target 4. After 4 we need the noun. After all of the propositions we need to noun. Okay, after 4, searching. Okay, searching or plots, doesn't searching. Okay, we have only astronomers. Oh, I need to, because in the SST, summarize spoken test, we have a dictation is very important. I love that. Astronaut. Sorry, astronaut. Be careful, astronaut. Be careful about the astro. So it's very simple. Astronaut. Someone who travels or work in spacecraft. Astronaut is a noun. It's very different. Astronomers. Okay, in here, astronomers. Okay, searching for words under the largest proximity of those planets make them easy to easy to, okay, we have easy to. After to we need a verb. Easy to, we have a two verbs, detect and imagine. Easy to detect as the cause a significant decrease in it's a cause. It's a cause. It's a significant decrease in, okay? We have a detect in here. It's finished. I hope it's will be helpful for you, and take care of yourself. Bye.